Today's December 22nd, it's my birthday. Stuart and I are headed out to do some coyote hunting. It's kind of turned into a tradition for us to get together and do some coyote hunting. So he just got finished with chores. We're gonna head out and make some sits in this rainy, kind of foggy weather. Thoughts are, what are your thoughts?
Wet. Warm.
So wet and warm, but we're gonna give it a shot. So we just shot one suppressed at about 45, 50 yards. Stuart was howling and he howled back at us. And we gave him a few more howls, never saw him. He came across this hillside. Stuart got on him, well then he disappeared. I saw him kind of down in the flat. And then he disappeared because it kind of arises right up into where we're sitting. And then we saw him kind of bouncing through the grass. And Stuart put the shot on him with the new silencer. Here it is. Male, female?
That'd be a female.
Looks like a female. And you were playing male howl sounds. So maybe she was looking for a boyfriend. But you can see we were sitting right back up there where those trees are at, about 50 yards.